Hello everyone. Today's video is the continuation of our solution to the given exercises in the previous video. So we're still in the derivative of exponential function. Right, so let us continue solving the sample exercises. So this time we have example number 3. So in example number 3, we're given the function f of x, this is h of x, equal to e to the 1/2 x. So sorry class, this is h of x. Okay, and we are required to solve for the h prime of x. Okay, for our solution, so again we are going to use the formula, the derivative of e to the u with respect to x is equal to e to the u times the derivative of u with respect to x. So in our given, so this is our u. Okay, so our u is equal to 1/2 x. So h prime of x is equal to, so using the formula, we have e to the u. Our u is 1/2 x times the derivative of u. Our u is 1/2 x with respect to x. So e to the 1/2 x times derivative of constant and a variable. So we have we isolate the constant and we just take the derivative of the variable x with respect to x. So derivative of 1/2 x is simply 1/2. So therefore our h prime of x is equal to 1/2. You can write the constant first because this is just multiplication. So times e to the 1/2 x. Okay, so this is our answer for our third example. All right, now for the fourth example, so example number 4. So we're given the product. We have f of x equal to the product of x cubed times e to the power 5x minus 3. Right, and we are going to solve for the f prime of x. So this time we're going to use the formula. So apart from the formula for the exponential derivative of exponential function, which is derivative of e to the u with respect to x is equal to e to the u times the derivative of u with respect to x. We are also going to use the formula, that is the derivative of the product of u and v with respect to x is equal to u times the derivative of v with respect to x plus v times the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, so in our given, so for this formula, so we are going to identify what is our u and what is our v for this given. So in this case, so this is our u, right, and this part is our v. Okay, so this is a combination class of these formulas, as well as the other formulas that we had discussed before. Okay, so now using this formula, so we have the product, no? This is the product rule. So f prime of x is equal to, so derivative of u times v with respect to x is equal to u. So we just copy what is our u here. So our u here is x cubed, alright, times the derivative of v. Our v is e to the power 5x minus 3, alright, with respect to x. Then plus v. So our v is this one, you just copy. So e to the 5x minus 3 times the derivative of u. So what is our u? Our u is this one, so derivative of x cubed with respect to x. Okay, so now we are applying this formula. So equal to, so just copy this one, x cubed times, so this time class we are having a derivative of exponential function, so we will apply now this formula. So in this case, in this part, so let's identify our u. So this is our u, alright, so this is our u. So we will use this formula and using this as our u. So we are differentiating now the exponential function. So derivative of e to the u, so using the formula that is e to the u, so you just copy e to the u. Our u is 5x minus 3 times the derivative of u. So our u is this one, so derivative of 5x minus 3, this is with respect to x. Then plus e to the 5x minus 3 times derivative of x cubed. So this is in the form of power. Power, so we will apply the power rule. So the power rules, we have the exponent of the power will go down, and then the power minus 1. So we have, so 3x squared. Alright, so this is now the derivative of x cubed, that is equal to x 3 times x squared, so 3x to the power 3 minus 1, so that is x squared. Then the derivative of u, our u here is x, so the derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. Alright, so supposedly there's still a part here which says that derivative of u, our u here is x, so which is x, so derivative of x with respect to x. So derivative of x with respect to x, that is equal to 1. Okay, so this is just equal to 1. Okay, so to continue, so we have x cubed times e to the 5x minus 3 times, okay, using the sum and difference rule here, sum or the difference rule of differentiation. So we have derivative of 5x is 5 minus derivative of a constant 3 is equal to 0, so we have only 5 here. Then plus e to the 5x minus 3, then times 3x squared, okay, then times 1. So no need to write because this is just equal to 1. Right, so rearranging, so we can write this this are just product, right? So you can write the constant first, so 5 times x cubed times e to the 5x minus 3, then plus this part here, you can write this first, So 3x squared times e to the 5x minus 3. Then you can factor common here. So there's a common factor. We have x cubed here. We have x squared. Alright, so you can factor out x squared. Okay. Then you have e to the 5x minus 3. You also have here e to the power 5x minus 3. So you can factor that also because this is common to each of this term. So e to the 5x minus 3. Alright, then you have this open parenthesis. So first term, you divide the first term by the common factor. Okay, so this divide by this, so what will be the remaining factor, or what will remain from this one after you divide this by the common. Okay, so we have 5x, right? Because we already factored the x squared of this one. This is the one. So what is left is x. Then you have 5. So we have 5 here. This one is this. Then plus. So this one here is this one is common. Alright. This one also common here. So what is left here is equal to 3. So therefore our f prime of x is equal to x squared times e to the 5x minus 3 times the whole quantity 5x plus 3. Alright, so that's our answer for this exercise, for this number. Okay, so for the last part of the exercise, I want you to practice this one, class. Okay, so try to solve this one, and who knows, no, in our midterm exam or in our coming graded activity, it might come up. So you're given here h of x equal to e to the 3x to the 4th plus 1 times e to the 2x, and you are asked to solve for h prime of x. Okay, so try to solve this one, class, and let's see, no, if you can follow the solution here. This is also a product similar to the exercise number 4. Alright, this is also a product. Alright, thank you very much, class, and hope to see you again in our next video. So our next video will be about still on the exponential function, but the base is no longer e. So remember, the base e is equal to 2.712818. So we will have another variation of this topic, exponential functions, but our base is no longer e, any constant. Alright, thank you very much, and see you again in our next video. Bye for now. Stay safe and healthy. God bless.